Good morning or hello, good day to everyone. Um, so my presentation is going to be about aiXplain. It is an attempt to democratize AI, and I will be talking a little bit deeper about that during my presentation. All right. What we want to focus on is an explain flywheel. So we want to have people build, diagnose, and improve AI systems and data sets continuously, effortlessly, and efficiently. How do we do this? So the problem which we are solving is the problem I had during the time when I was at EdTech, at eBay, and at Amazon, leading teams, building capabilities which you might be using today in some of the efforts or some of the applications you're building. Benchmarking, building, and deployment is not an easy job. Benchmarking can be time consuming, human in the loop isn't there, so it's going to be expensive, and so forth. So it's costly. It's incomplete because when we think about benchmarking, we think about, for example, quality only, but we forget about bias, for example, or other things. It is slow if we're talking about benchmarking. Scalability is a challenge, obviously, and the more complex the system is, the more complex and the larger team you need to do some of these benchmarking and the building of the systems, etc. So there is the efficient cost question, as well as the completeness, the speed, scalability, complexity, and error problem, especially if you have the human in the loop for some of the evaluation. No, we built a platform where AI developers can confidently build and deploy AI through rigorous benchmarking and varied asset inventory. So what do we mean by that? In essence, we have a marketplace where we basically have on one side the developer uploading or making their systems available for people to utilize on the other side, the people who are needing AI in their workflows. And they themselves need to do the building, of course, but also the deployment, and so the engineering side, and which we are always dreading. We build models, and then we hope that they are just going to scale by themselves and all of that. So the MLOps component is there. Benchmarking, I would like to know when I'm building a model speech recognition, for example, how do I look compared to the market? How do my customers see the quality of what I'm building? And compare and it's important for us to have a growing asset inventory. So, as I said, build, then we have a deploy process, and then we have a benchmark process, and then it continues with building, improving, continuously. Let's talk about the details. So right now we have 42,000 models on the platform, which is quite a bit, I think. We just went live in December 14th of last year, so it's a good amount of models which we have. To improve and automate benchmarking, what we have is data and models. So we talked about the 42,000 models, data sets. We have thousands of models there, hundreds of thousands of hours of data, for example, you can benchmark against, depending on what the use case is, which the developer or the user cares about. We increase velocity through a UX, so it doesn't need to be only APIs and only Python coders which can develop that, but it can also be the product manager or even the scientist. Sometimes, if they want to quickly do some experiments, they can do that. We have an expansive inventory, as I mentioned. It is scalable and robust. It's a SaaS offering. We have multiple metrics, and the metrics are growing on a continuous basis. And it's not only quality, as I mentioned earlier, it can be quality, speed, latency, cost, bias, drift, and other things. So you pick and choose what you care about. Sometimes you care about speed even more than quality, for example, for some of the use cases, you pick what you care about. And then we do deep analysis on the model quality, which means we tell you when you have issues compared to the rest of the market, what you can do about it. Maybe you focus on certain data to like improve, for example, the bias issue, or you might need to read certain papers. So we have an agent which supports you, suggests to you what kind of papers you should be reading and what kind of code you should be looking at to improve on your algorithm. So it's not only data, but also from the algorithm side. Building data and models. Obviously, we are connecting to labeling frameworks. We don't do labeling ourselves, but we have. You see here Label Studio. It's an open source toolkit. You can connect it. So you don't only you're not constrained on the data sets which we have on our platform in the marketplace, but you can expand on it. So if you have a certain challenge, we can connect you to the right labelers and develop the data, which you then own, and you can decide then to make it available for others as well and benefit from it financially, obviously. What we also offer for our users is AutoML capabilities. So, for example, here you see a paper which we submitted to EMNLP. Speech recognition alone, everyone is going to tell you that they have the best system. Everyone is right and everyone is wrong. If you basically look at certain situations, the one engine is better, in other situations, another engine is better. Now, what we have built with this AutoML capability, we route the right content to the right engine and generate much better results than the best engine after that. So we have about 20% error rate for this one use case compared to 24% from supplier 2, which was the next best system, for example, in speech recognition. And we have that for multiple technologies. Speech recognition and translation were the first two which we started with, and others followed. Our team is scientists and people from the business. So Rana is my counterpart, COO. She comes actually from the business, builds a few companies as well. For me, this is number 5. For her, it's number 7. So we're looking forward to see that we can help you with different use cases. And those are videos on how-to videos. We have more, and these are only 2, how to benchmark and how to design solutions. We'd love to have you come visit us at the booth. We'd like to show you that in real life, how you can build an application. It's free to go onto our platform to experiment around. You pay for what you use. So it's like for a few dollars you can experiment around. We give you credits initially when you sign in, so you can experiment. The suppliers are all the big guys, the AWSs and Googles and the Microsofts, but then there is also a good amount of small suppliers, individuals as well as startups on the platform, which can be utilized for whatever you want to implement in and around AI. Right, that's all I have to say. Thank you very much.